Hi, we're Landlord Broadband.
We help landlords and property organisations provide Wi-Fi friendly accommodation to their tenants and guests as part of their service offering. Insufficient data capacity or bandwidth will lead to bottlenecking, slow speeds and intermittent connections. We complete a bespoke Wi-Fi design for each and every property, ensuring that there is enough bandwidth to provide all tenants with a seamless service. Wireless capacity refers to the number of devices able to sufficiently operate on a wireless network simultaneously. We meticulously design Wi-Fi networks to avoid congestion and interference. Poor Wi-Fi coverage results in poor connectivity, slow speeds, and wireless dead zones. In one room, it may not work at all, and in another, speed may be insufficient. We optimize all Wi-Fi designs for coverage to offer our no dead zone guarantee, ensuring that every user gets the same high-speed, reliable service. When tenants encounter connection issues, landlords are often obliged to take an intermediary role between the tenant and broadband provider. Our service includes our 24/7 365 UK-based tenant support desk, with industry-leading, business-grade response times. Wi-Fi and connectivity issues can be complex and difficult to resolve without expert knowledge. We have a nationwide network of engineers with specialist knowledge ready to resolve any issues as and when they arise. The bills for landlords and property organisations with multiple properties in their portfolio can become overcomplicated due to different invoices and payment dates for each property. We consolidate all of your invoices into one single portfolio bill for easy cost management. Inquire today to request your free assessment.